So tell us a bit also about Mamma Sicily, because Mamma Sicily is a good one. That's for people who want exclusive accommodation and tours, isn't it?
Mamma Sicily is my other
Passion.
Is the other my passion? No, because it's the other side of the moon. How can I say? Because we have spoken about Splendid Sicily and Sicilian Artisan Foundation, that they are both two no-profit projects.
Yes,
okay?
I know.
And Mamma Sicily, I am it's different because I am an entrepreneur Mamma Sicily is about holiday homes. Holiday homes in Sicily, holiday homes for rent. We manage some of the most beautiful